got some deliveries, and this time it is from Melon Catering. Melon Catering is a catering services established in 2005 that offers a wide range of delectable dishes perfect for any special occasion. To adapt to the new normal, they now offer rice toppings for delivery. They are offering this Angus Beef steak. Yay! Na may paitlog, oy! This pork teriyaki also nga, oy, nagyud ang itlog halos tanan. And this chicken curry, nga perfect kay pagkaluto ang itlog. And lastly, one of their best seller rice toppings, mao kani ang pork humba. Kani murag mas nindot siya nga combo with the itlog and the achara. And they also have this new offering, dili ang rice ha, but kung say kuyog sa rice, it would be the BBQ Pork Ribs. And oh, wow, it comes in 2 servings or dako kay lang 1 serving. You can have this pork teriyaki for 140 pesos, this humba with egg for 140 pesos also, this chicken curry for 135 pesos, and this US Angus Beef rice topping for 210 pesos. For sharing humot kaayo siya nga beef steak. And they also sent me this BBQ Pork Ribs, which is still soon to be available. To order, you may just message your official social media accounts or you can find them also in Food Panda. Just search Melon Catering. For that, mga na ginita guys, and unahon nina ko ang US Angus Beef Steak. And well, of course, it's a quality beef, so lamig jud kaayo siya daan. And the sauce also of the steak ay naako yung sa rice. And now let's try the pork humba. Muna akong ganahan ka ng equal proportion sa tambok and sa meat. And the rice also perfect. And now let's try their chicken curry. I want to chicken curry kinenjoy potato, na ay carrots. And lastly, we're going to try their pork teriyaki. And I have noticed also generous kaayo sila sa rice, in which daghan kaayo rice mo pwede siya good for 2 oy. And the egg that goes with every meal makes you eat rice more. And now let's try their BBQ Pork Ribs, in which mauni lahang soon to be offered. So I'm so happy usakos naka-try. And let me siya, it's really like the sweet type of barbecue and full of the bone. See? Unsa siya ka-tender. And so juicy pag yun. But then again guys, always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!